Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Roblox servers are online and your network is stable, because connectivity causes most code 0 failures. Once done, restart the Roblox client and your device to clear transient glitches and clear cache to remove corrupted temp files. Make sure to log out and log back in so session tokens refresh. While you do this, note the exact error timing and what you were doing. That information narrows down the root cause quickly. Next, isolate the problem. Try a different account or device to determine whether code 0 is account-specific or machine-specific. If the issue persists on one device, disable VPNs, proxies, and third-party firewalls, then retry, because network routing or blocked ports often trigger the error. Once you rule network causes out, fully uninstall Roblox, delete leftover program data, and reinstall the latest client. Finally, update your network adapter drive. To finish, restore any saved settings and run a normal gameplay test while watching latency and packet loss. You want to confirm stability under typical conditions. If code 0 still appears, gather logs and system details and contact Roblox support. Include timestamps and steps you already tried so they can act fast. If you need one last troubleshooting trick, switch to a public DNS like Google 8. Boot into safe mode with networking, or reset the router. These resolve stubborn routing or DNS faults in many cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.